IT Pros. This is Kelly from CompTIA, and we're here at Joystick Arcade Bar for our last stop on our first day for the road to ChannelCon with ITProTV. Today we're talking to IT Pros about what they love about the job. Let's take a look at what they had to say.
I actually started in IT way back, and when pretty much if you could spell HTML, you could get a job with computers.
So I've been in IT for at least 20 years. I started when people was telling me that I wasn't cut out for it. But I had to show them, hey, I could do anything. I graduated from University of Maryland, University College, and received my master's degree in cybersecurity technology last year.
Actually, 30 years ago, I took a programming course at the University of Nebraska and got an F. And I dusted myself off and I said, really? Next thing I knew, took to programming and went to engineering school and just fell in love with electronics ever since.
I have always been in IT. I've been a network administrator, web designer. Right now I am a systems admin, which means I do everything for the company that I'm currently at.
I would start out with the ITProTV series on A+, Network Plus. See if you have an aptitude for it. I think the video format can really help you.
I was introduced to ITProTV by my company, actually, OpenText Corporation. So they wanted us to continually train, which was, an obvious no-brainer. And I love continually learning.
Man, don't you wish you guys were here? We're having a great time playing some vintage video games and networking with IT Pros in Atlanta. Until the next stop, thanks for tuning in.